So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create videos for YouTube using an AI writer, using a teleprompter, and then using an auto upload feature directly from the Dub platform to YouTube. So the first thing that we recommend is that you write your scripts with AI. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Dub mobile app here. And in this Dub mobile app right here, you'll notice if I click on the camera, you have the ability to select your teleprompter scripts, which is right there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay.
Yep, I see it.
So if you click on that button, it's the little page icon, you get your teleprompter right here. Okay. So now this is your teleprompter right here. Let me go ahead and I can bring my wire in a moment. But this is your teleprompter right here. Okay. So now what you would do then is you would take some sort of a stand. You
Yep.
can hold your phone, but anything that's long form, we recommend taking some sort of a selfie stick or a stand like this. And then we recommend that you put your phone on that stand just like this. Okay. And
Yep.
that way you've got a locked off shot. Okay. And then you can go ahead and record your video. You can do it as one long video direct to camera as your face, or you can do it with clips. So in the Dub mobile app, you can do this, and you can also do this in the Dub desktop app, which I will show in a moment. Okay. But I'm going to start with the Dub mobile app. So you can record your video from start to finish, direct to camera, or you can do it in multiple clips, and then you will have that teleprompter. So if you record a clip in the Dub mobile app, it allows you to compartmentalize your script, and that way you don't have to say everything perfectly from start to finish. Okay. So if you notice here, there is the clip right there.
You
So
can
that's the
you
first
can
thing.
you can also somehow change the speed to so it moves at your pace of
Yes,
speech.
definitely.
How do you do that?
So to change the speed of the teleprompter, you would just want to
Oh, okay.
move that right there. That's just going to change the speed. And you can also squeeze your text to make it larger and then pinch it to make it
Okay.
smaller. If you can
All right.
notice I'm doing that. That squeezes and pinches it. Okay. So that's the first thing. The second way to record videos for YouTube is using the Dub desktop app. The Dub desktop app it's a very easy to use but powerful video recording and editing application. So I'll let Rob set that up in a minute because I don't have that on my screen at this moment. So I'll let Rob do that tutorial in a moment. But after that, what I wanted to show you is once you upload your video to the Dub platform, with one click, you can upload it to YouTube. So let me go ahead and share my screen and show you how that's done. So if you go to the Dub Studio right here, and then you've uploaded your video, let's say that this is your video right here. What you would do is you would click this drop down right here. And then these are all the various YouTube accounts that you can upload videos to. So if you don't see your YouTube account here, click add YouTube account, and then that's going to allow you to directly upload this video to YouTube. And then you can, based on the title and the description that you have here. So this would be the title, and then this would be the description. That will go ahead and upload directly to YouTube.
So you're not uploading any links like
No.
within Dub when you do a YouTube, you copy the
Yes.
link and so
Correct.
okay, so maybe that's why I'm confused. I was
Yes.
thinking, okay.
You cannot use a link to upload a video to YouTube. You must use the direct connection that we built with YouTube to upload this video.
All right.
Yeah, and if you want to add your account, just go ahead and click add YouTube account. Okay. Rob, can you do the desktop tutorial, please?
Okay, so let's just say, as an example, I want to talk about how amazing Darius is in terms of doing presentations. I like the intense look he's got right here. Say I want to do a little social media post about how this is the cheapest way to automate your real estate business. It looks pretty awesome. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the desktop app, Dub Desktop app. That's all you have to Google. Download it for Mac or PC. When you do, you're going to see a little Dub symbol on your computer right up here at the top or at the bottom. You can see a little functionality right here. I like to click on View Quick Menu, pops up right here. And we're going to click Record Screen. So I'm going to click this right here, puts me on the screen just like this. And the cool thing about the desktop app is this function right down over here. See this little red slash through the square down here at the bottom? What that means is if I hit record, I'm going to get my whole computer screen, which is great. Sometimes you want to do that. But in this case here, I want a very specific orientation for social media. So I'm going to click on that little red dash, get rid of it. I'm going to tap the drop down and I'm going to go right to portrait right there. So now Whatever is between the blue lines here you see on the screen is going to be part of the recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here, and you can mess with the orientation size a little bit by grabbing the edge like this. See how I'm making it a little smaller and bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put myself inside here. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to put myself right inside here, and I can mess with the shape a little bit. Maybe I want to go square shape, kind of frame myself right up here at the top, kind of like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit record. And this will be it right here. Hey, this is Rob. Listen, I want to talk to you about this amazing presenter right here. That is Darius. We call him the Oracle here at Dub, and he's going to talk about how great automations are, especially for your real estate business. So then I'm going to hit the check mark over here, and there is the clip of what I just recorded here. And let's play it back. Hey, this is Rob. Listen, I want to talk to you about this amazing presenter right here. That is Darius. So you can do multiple clips in here. You can drag videos in if you want to, right? Merge them together like you can with the Dub mobile app. So this one right here, we're going to save this clip, click upload right here. And then when it uploads it, it's going to be saved into the Dub platform. And then what you can do is you can access that video anywhere you want to. So we talked earlier in the training today about downloading the MP4. So when you save it into Dub, you'll have it available on your computer, logged in on your computer on the website, or if you can access it on the Dub mobile app, Dub app, DUBB80 Dub app, you can just download the MP4 there. Go to the social platforms you want to upload it to, like Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, upload the MP4, and then you're able to load it in. So you're able to record a social media video right from your desktop with the proper orientation and portrait. And that's with the Dub desktop app. And that's how you can do it without being on mobile.